Hi, we're Rumi and Zoey. If you enjoy yoga with us, tap like and subscribe. Today, we're building balance, focus, and teamwork together with a fun partner flow full of steady shapes and playful moves. Stand back to back and feel your partner gently touching you. Plant your feet firmly on the floor and grow tall through your spine. Let your shoulders relax while your body gets long and steady. You are standing still, but you are already working together. This pose helps both of you find the middle, like two tall towers sharing one calm, steady line. Turn to face each other and stand tall. Bring your palms together with your partner's palms right in front of your chest. Press gently, not too hard, and keep your shoulders soft. When you press evenly, both bodies wake up and stand stronger. Your feet stay rooted while your arms and chest feel active. It's like two strong doors helping each other stay open and steady. Stay facing each other and shift onto one foot. Lift the other knee up to about hip height. Now hold the balance and keep your hands reaching toward your partner or lightly touching. Try to stay tall instead of leaning too much. If you wobble, that just means your balance is practicing. You're like two flamingos finding stillness together in the middle of a pond. Stand facing each other and come into tree pose on one leg. Place your other foot on your ankle or calf, or higher if that feels steady. Now bend your arms and gently connect forearms with your partner. Keep your chest lifted and your eyes soft. This pose is all about trust, light contact, and quiet focus. You are like two trees growing side by side, helping each other stay tall in the wind. Turn back to back again and walk your feet a little forward. Bend your knees and lower into a chair shape together. Now lift your arms out wide to the sides like wings. Keep pressing gently into each other so neither person tips. Your legs work hard while your upper body stays open and light. It feels like two birds balancing on one strong, invisible branch. Face each other and hold both hands. Shift onto one leg and tip your body slightly forward as the other leg lifts a little behind. You do not need to go very far. The goal is to move together and keep the shape smooth. This pose is like two teammates making one careful seesaw out of balance and breath. Then, come back up slowly and try the other side. Stand side by side and hold your inside hands together. Step your feet a little wider and grow tall first. Now lean away from your joined hands into a strong side tilt. Let your outside arm stretch long to make the shape feel open and bright. This pose helps both of you balance while making one big team shape together. You are like two stars stretching away from the middle without losing the connection. Come onto hands and knees facing each other. Make your backs flat and strong like two tables. Now lift one hand and tap your partner's opposite hand in the middle. Place it down carefully and switch sides. Try not to rock too much as you balance. This pose builds steady arms, steady belly muscles, and steady teamwork all at once. Come up to kneeling, facing each other with one knee on the floor and one foot planted in front. Lift your inside hand and give a gentle high five. Stay tall through your chest and steady through your legs. This pose may look simple, but it asks for focus and stillness. Hold the shape and breathe together, like two explorers pausing to say, "We've got this." Stand facing each other and hold one hand together. Shift your weight onto one foot and slowly tip forward as the other leg lifts behind you. Stretch long from your head all the way to your lifted heel. Let the hand link help you stay steady, but keep your own body strong too. This pose takes teamwork, focus, and a lot of control. You are like two flying arrows moving forward together in one clean line. Then switch sides. Sit facing each other with your knees bent and your toes touching. Hold each other's hands and lift your feet so the soles press together. Lean back a little and lift your chest. Maybe you keep the knees bent, or maybe you stretch the legs longer. Your bellies work hard to keep you balanced together. It's like two little boats floating on the same wave without drifting apart. Place your hands behind you and your feet on the floor facing each other. Lift your hips into a reverse tabletop shape. Now, one of you reaches one arm up while the other stays steady. Put it down, then switch turns. This pose asks for strength, timing, and teamwork. You are like two bright bridges taking turns sending a signal up into the sky. Come back to sit facing each other with your legs crossed. Sit tall and gently bring your foreheads together. Now lift your hands off your knees and hold them hovering beside you or at your heart. Even this small change asks your body to stay balanced and quiet. Stillness can be its own kind of teamwork too. You are like two calm mirrors helping each other stay centered. Stand facing each other and cross one arm over to hold your partner's hand. Keep your feet grounded and your chest lifted. Now gently turn your body away from the center while keeping the hand link. Your arm gets long, your waist wakes up, and your shape becomes strong and twisty. This pose builds control through the middle of the body while helping you stay connected. You're like two ribbons spiraling away from each other without letting go. Turn to face each other and hold hands gently. Shift onto one foot and cross the other ankle over your standing leg above the knee. Sit back a little into the figure 4 shape. Keep your chest lifted and let the hand connection help both of you stay steady. If you wobble, breathe, and smile. This pose teaches your body that balance gets stronger when you stay calm and connected. Stand back to back one last time. Step your feet a little wider and stretch your arms out into a big star shape. Lift your chest and feel how steady you are together after all that balancing. Your bodies are open, strong, and bright. This is your teamwork finish, grounded from your feet and shining from your fingertips. Hold your star and enjoy how strong balance can feel when you do it together. Amazing job today. If you had fun with us, tap like and subscribe for more yoga adventures. Thanks for balancing with Rumi and Zoey. See you next time.